Hi everyone! Today we will talk about full body CAD. So let's start our lesson number 9. What is full body CAD and when do you need it? When you send your artwork and pattern to the factory, you expect to receive the entire collection by a certain date to show to your client or buyer for approval. What if some pieces are missing? Or luckily your client is willing to order right from CAD or storyboard without seeing real garment. In this case, you have to show them imitation of your garment in the most realistic way, as a cut-out body in actual size or storyboard with the ideas of season theme, where you need also present the body CAD in the most pretty and realistic way. Let's start to create body CAD in actual size, which we call full body CAD. First, we sketch the body flat in Adobe Illustrator. For sure you know how to do this, or you can see corresponding YouTube lesson online. Search how to sketch flats in Illustrator. Now let's open our flat in Photoshop. Go to File, Open, select File. You'll have a window rasterized EPS format. Choose Crop to Artbox. In this case, we will have short only, without additional canvas. Type the actual length of garment. Usually for women top is 24 inches. Select Link On, Constraint Proportions checked, and Anti-Aliased unchecked. It's important to avoid sketch blurriness. Mode RGB. Click OK. Let's fill short with white and leave other area transparent. Choose Magic Wand, Contiguous unchecked. Select Empty Area. Then check Contiguous box, click on area outside with Alt-Hold, then choose Color Bucket tool and fill with white. You'll have kind of floating white shirt. Let's fill it with any print, for instance our favorite floral print, the final one. Open it and select All, Edit, Copy. Then go to our shirt, select white area, tolerance 0, anti-aliased unchecked. Then go to Edit, Paste Specials, Paste Into. You can use shortcut Alt, Shift, Ctrl V. You'll have mask layer with print. I strongly recommend use mask method when you create body CAD. We talk about mask in my lesson number 5, how to do plats. I can remind that we use mask to hide portion of a layer and reveal portions of the layer below. Why mask? As you can see, we can link and unlink mask with print. Let's unlink it. In this case, we can move print inside the body and make print placement more visually attractive. Even though your print is random cut, sometimes it's important for buyer to see it in the most attractive position. Especially, it's very important for placement print. Choose this layer, select body area only. Usually you don't make placement on sleeves. Choose any placement print. Select, go to Edit, Paste Specials, Paste Into. Be sure mask is unlinked. Now you can move this print around inside the body and find the best position for it. One hint, if your print is very small, you can use repeat method to be sure you fill the entire area. Go to Print, select Repeat. Go to Edit, Define Pattern. Go to Print Layer. It's not necessary to select any specific area. Just be sure you're on Print icon, not Mask icon. Icon has to be selected with border. And go to Edit, Fill, Fill with Pattern. And the entire area will be filled with print. But you will see only filled body, exactly what you need. Again, you can move entire printed area inside the body. You can also create print layer with mask in different way. Create empty layer. It's going to be our print layer. Then go to our shirt, select white area, tolerance 0, anti-aliased unchecked. And go to Print Layer and click Mask icon. Then you can go to Print Layer and fill it with any pattern. You can also fill it in any way. Mask will keep all your art within required area. Now, imagine you fill the body with floral print. Then you or your client change your mind and choose this print. Is it necessary to repeat all our manipulation? Absolutely not. Duplicate layer, go to print icon and fill it with new print. Moreover, you want to place a new screen print on the top of the existing one. Select print, place in the new layer, go to layer corner icon, from drop-down menu choose merge down or Ctrl-E shortcut. You will have layer mask window. Click preserve. Unlink mask from layer and you can move your printed area inside the body. One more trick. Go back, select all from print layer and delete. You have empty short. Then go to merge down. And now you can manipulate with placement print within the empty short. Now you can go to short layer and fill it with any color. Now, let's fill our short with plate pattern. Edit, define pattern. Create layer with mask, go to print layer, edit, fill with pattern. Do you like it? I think it's not exactly what we want. Sleeves absolutely don't look pretty. Let's see what we can do about it. Select all print and copy. Then go to short layer, select sleeves only, contiguous checked. Then go to edit, paste specials, paste into. Alt-Shift-Ctrl-V. You have a new layer. Let's call it sleeve print layer. Put it on top. Click on layer icon, unlink mask, go to edit, transform, rotate. Rotate plate pattern in desired angle. Now zoom in. You see you've got some blurriness while you rotate. Is it important? Depends on your goal. If you manipulate with final print just to attract buyer attention with realistic look, it's totally fine. If you don't make a final decision about your design yet and may change colorway, it's important. So, while going to edit, transform, rotate, go to interpolation and from drop-down menu choose nearest neighbor. In some versions of Photoshop, you have to go to edit preference and choose interpolation from there. Nearest neighbor, preserve hard edges. Now we have this sleeve done perfectly. Let's fix the second one. Select area around correct sleeve, copy, paste on the next layer, go to edit, transform, flip horizontal. Move it a bit around to find a good placement spot. Then go to merge down, choose preserve. We have both sleeves in the one layer. Now we can move artwork around inside the mask. Be sure you are on the layer icon. Link unchecked. You can move it. You can select sleeves separately and move and rotate them as well. Moreover, you can select some area inside and flip and rotate independently. In this case, you can change a sleeve angle and instead of copy and paste, just click and drag it with Ctrl-Alt-Shift-Hold, then flip. This method is very convenient because you have your artwork with different angles on separate layers and you can work with layers independently, whereas the short template stays in place indicated with mask. Why don't we add a next layer, for instance for color? Select part of artwork from body, go to short sketch layer, select color area, paste into, rotate with desired angle, copy and flip. You have a color layer. Now, you can print and cut out this shot, or you can merge all layers, reduce it, and use for storyboards. Before you finish and print, let's make sure you have a final colorway. What if it's not? Can we change colors instantly like we did for different types of artwork in previous lessons? Easy. I'd like to show you two methods. Method number 1. Go to index color mode. If you did everything correctly, you will get exact colors. Check transparency. You will have 9 colors. 7 plate colors, 1 black outline, and 1 empty transparent background. I keep it transparent, not white, because I may have white colors in the plaid, and it will mess up with ground. Open color palette and start to change colors. Method number 2. It's a bit longer, but we may need it for future design enhancing. Select artwork layers only and leave short layer untouched. Go to Layer Palette and choose Merge Layers. You have a separate artwork layer. Then select Bucket Tool, Contiguous unchecked, Anti-Aliased off, Tolerance 0, and change colors on this layer one by one. Then duplicate layer and change colors on this one, making a new colorway. Then you can duplicate it again and change colors again. And this method, you can get as many colorways as you want on separate layers. What is the main benefit of it? The real size garment file is big. Sometimes it takes time to open it, print and save. So in this case, you have only one file open. You just need to close and open appropriate layers to print out different colorways. So now we know how to create full body CAD using Photoshop. Next time we will learn how to enhance our CAD, add the most realistic look to give the best impression to the customer. Please subscribe to my channel, like it if you still didn't, and please don't forget to check your bell. See you soon.